to my channel. My name is Thompson. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for taking out your time to watch all my video. And if this is your first time of watching any of my video, your first time of being on my channel, I want to say thank you and welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I'll be making this video to show you how you can actually transfer your coin. In this case, we'll be using USDT, how to transfer your coin from Binance to Okex. Okay, Okex is also a trading platform. Okay, so assuming you want to transfer your USDT, your BTC, your BNB, or any of those coins to Okex, I'm going to show you the walkthrough on how you're going to go about it. Okay, so without much ado, let's get started. So what you're going to do is just go to come down here on the Binance platform and you click this wallet button here. So when you click this wallet button here, it's going to bring you to this interface. As you can see right here, I have about $20 worth of USDT, and that is what we'll be using for this tutorial on how to send your USDT or any of your coin from Binance to Okex. Okay, so we'll be sending the whole of this USDT to Okex. Okay, so what we'll do is this. I'm going to go straight to the point, so no need beating about the bush. You're going to click on this withdrawal. Okay, you click on this withdrawal, then it's going to bring you to this interface. When it brings you to this interface, we click on USDT. Now, this particular method I'm using USDT on, you can apply it to BTC. Okay, you can use BTC, use BNB. It's the same process. Okay, it's the same process. It depends on the particular coin you want to send to Okex. It's the same process, but we are just using USDT in this case study. Okay, so you click on USDT here, then it's going to bring you to this interface. Now you can see it says withdraw USDT. Here it's going to ask us to put our TRC20 USDT address here. So we're going to go to Okex and get that address from Okex. So let's get to Okex. Okay, now this is the Okex platform. You can see on the Okex we have buy crypto, we have deposit. Remember, we are sending the coin from Binance to Okex, so we are going to click on this deposit. Okay, when we click on deposit, it's going to bring us here to this interface, and it's going to show us a whole lot of coin over here. Okay, remember we are depositing USDT from the Binance platform, so we're going to look for USDT. We're going to click on this particular USDT here. Okay, when you click it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now remember, we have different kind of USDT network here, the TRC20, the ERC20, USDT, Okex, and all that. But we are sending the TRC20. We are sending to the TRC20 USDT network. Okay, so make sure it's on USDT TRC20. So what we're going to do now, we're going to copy this deposit address. You can see this is the address here. So we're going to click on this copy address. Now that we've copied it, let's go back to our Binance platform. Here on the Binance platform, we are going to paste the wallet address over here. Let's paste it. Okay, we'll paste it here. Then the network, we are going to choose the network. Remember, there are different network. Okay, you can see BEP20, you can see Ethereum, ERC20, you can see Solana, then you see Tron. We are sending to this Tron. Remember, we copied TRC20 from the Okex platform, so we are going to use this Tron TRC20. Let's click on it and then we confirm it. Okay, so that shows that we are sending to TRC20. Now the amount, we are going to send everything. Let's assume you want to send 10. You are going to type like 10. Okay, if you are going to send 50, you type 50. Depends on the amount you want to send, but in this case, I'm going to click max because I want to send all of the coin I have here, which is about 20 USDT. I'm going to click max. Then I'm going to come down here. You can see the transaction fee is actually $1 sending this coin from the Binance platform to the Okex platform. Okay, so I'm going to click on withdrawal. I click on withdrawal, it's going to show me the value that I'm going to get. Okay, then it says confirm. I'm going to click on confirm. Let's wait for it. Then it's going to show me everything again, and it's showing you this for you to confirm that okay, you understand what you are doing and you understand the network you are sending it to. Okay, which means that this is the wallet address you are sending it to. The network is trying to make you to understand that you are sending this thing to Tron TRC20, and this is the value. Okay, you say if you are satisfied with everything, then you click on this confirm. Okay, so when you click on confirm, it's going to bring you here. It's telling you that after withdrawal, this asset cannot be regained back again. You just click on confirm, I fully understand, and you click on confirm. You see, it's giving you all this opportunity so you can cross-check what you are doing before you actually send. Then you click on this confirm again. Okay, then it's going to bring you here. Bringing you here now is for you to get your OTP from your phone and your email. Okay, and for me, I actually have Google authentication on this, so I'm going to go check all this to make sure that everything is fine. Let me go to my email. I'm going to go to my email to get this. Okay, on my email, I'm going to come down here and get the code. This is the authentication code. I'm going to get the code. I'll copy the code, then go back to Binance and paste the code here, right? Then I'm going to go to my Google Authenticator to get my code from my Google Authenticator. I'm going to get my Binance code from here. Okay, I'm going to bring it here, then paste it and ask for my SMS. I'm going to ask for my SMS. I have to resend the email again because it has actually expired. So I have to get the email again. Let me get the email again. I'll get the email authenticator again. Then I come down here quickly and then I paste it here. And then I click on send. The 2FA factor also has expired, so I'm going to get it again quickly. Just copied it. Then I come down here and paste it. And then I click on send. Yeah, you can see I have successfully sent my USDT to my Okex platform. Now, you can see how easy and simple it is. Now, I will also encourage you to actually use all those security measures to make sure your account is protected, okay? Like you can see, I use my email, I use Google Authenticator, and I also use SMS, okay? All this process is just to make sure that your coin is protected, that no intruder will be able to come into your account and steal your coin, okay? So that is just a simple method of how to send your coin from the Binance platform to your Okex wallet, okay? I want to appreciate you for taking your time to watch this video to the end. I really appreciate that. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please remember to subscribe to this channel so that when next I also post a video, you'll be the first to get to see it. Click that notification button, please. If you've not done that yet, click that, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you.